Grafton Architects unveils plans for Kingston University's new art school. The acclaimed firm has submitted plans for a groundbreaking 4,827 square meter development, named Middle Mill, which will serve as a hub for creativity at the university's Kingston School of Art. This ambitious project, estimated at £42 million, is set to revolutionize the South West London campus. Grafton's victory in the 2023 competition, beating renowned firms like Hayworth Tompkins and Caruso St. John, showcases their expertise in architectural innovation. The win comes just 2 years after their townhouse project received the prestigious Sterling Prize. The Middle Mill scheme involves the demolition of 120 student bedrooms, making way for a sustainable and visually stunning addition to the university. The design incorporates green materials and an innovative northlight roof, maximizing natural light and energy efficiency. The building will feature sustainably sourced wood and natural clay tile cladding, aiming to reduce embodied carbon and blend contemporary design with the local aesthetic. The exterior improvements, designed with FFLO, will transform the public realm, enhancing the area's greening and creating a vibrant creative hub around the Stanley Picker Gallery. Shelley McNamara, Principal Director of Grafton Architects, expressed her vision: "We envision an architecture that respects the riverside ecosystem and the university's spatial needs. This results in a soft edge between the natural and man-made environments, creating a unique atmosphere conducive to study and social interaction." Stephen Spire, Vice-Chancellor of Kingston University, emphasized the impact of such architectural excellence. "World-class design inspires educational innovation and excellence. Grafton's townhouse is a testament to this, and Middle Mill will further enhance the student experience and the local community." The project's development involved extensive consultation, with 2 stages of pre-application discussions. The final design aims to be ready for the 2029-30 academic year, pending approval. Key contributors to the project include Grafton Architects as architects, principal designer, and lead consultant. AKT2 for structural and civil engineering. Atelier 10 for building services and lighting. FFLO for landscape architecture. Various consultants for sustainability, environmental, BREEAM, facade design, flood risk, AV/IT, acoustics, and more. This ambitious project promises to redefine the Kingston University campus, blending architectural brilliance with a sustainable and engaging learning environment.